Pat Mackey, our guide, will be leading us on a 120-mile trek through some of the most dramatic landscapes in the world, including the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone and Hayden Valley, a hotspot for wildlife any time of year.
We just set off on the snowmobiles, and it is spectacular already.
It is so surreal to be navigating Yellowstone when it's just coated in snow.
All right, so we've just entered Swan Lake Flat, which is just this beautiful open area here.
As we're cruising along, I'm keeping my eyes peeled for wildlife. And we don't have to wait long.
Got some trumpeter swans right out there by the river.
Named for their bugle-like call, trumpeter swans are the largest waterfowl in North America, weighing up to 30 pounds and with the wingspans stretching to 8 feet.
Trumpeter swans have more feathers than any other bird out there, which keeps them warm in these freezing temperatures. After going nearly extinct because of hunting and habitat loss, the trumpeter swan is making a comeback in the lower 48, but there are still only a handful in Yellowstone.
Ooh, they're taking off. You see that? Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, wow. There they go.
Our next stop is the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. At 671 miles long, the Yellowstone River is the longest undammed river in the U.S. It carved out this huge canyon, and so much water flows through here. Even in the depths of winter, the falls never completely freeze over.
That is crazy. It's like half of it is just this giant wall of ice.
The ice wall that it's forming right there in front of the falls, it's all created by the mist.
We've done a little ice climbing before. I don't think I'd want to attempt that one.
The lower falls are twice the size of Niagara Falls. That's about 300 feet. So I'm actually quite fine with the view from up here.
We head back and we're cruising.
Next stop, Hayden Valley.
All right, we're in Hayden Valley. I'm absolutely just scanning right now for anything that seems to be moving. Ooh, looks like Colton spots something off to the right.
Oh yeah, you can see his tail. That's a fox.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Red foxes are the smallest of all the canids in the park and are known for their bushy tails and dark socks on their feet. Oh, he hears something. See him tiptoeing?
Oh yeah, he's definitely looking for something.
He can hear it. Foxes, they've got this really keen sense of hearing. And so when there's something underneath the snow, they can sense it. Foxes will prey on voles, mice, birds, amphibians, pretty much anything they can get their paws on, especially in the dead of winter. He's getting ready to pounce. Watch him. Here he goes.
Whoa, there he
Oh,
goes!
we did it! Oh, man!
Yeah! Oh, that was awesome.
Winter here in Yellowstone is harsh. And to be able to survive, you need to adapt. And you gotta have some skills like that guy, because without that sense of hearing, you go hungry.
There he goes again.
Oh my gosh. This is incredible.
We've been to Yellowstone countless times, and I have never seen anything like that here. Oh my, there he goes again.
Seeing this fox was the perfect way to cap this day.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.